Dandelion has been a popular plant for millennia, and its medicinal properties have been used in the treatment of various health ailments and conditions. It detoxifies the liver, stimulates the production of bile, regulates cholesterol levels, treats allergies, and is of great help to pregnant women and women in menopause. It is best to pick it at the beginning of spring, in April, and harvest it from places that are not too polluted. Its stem is the most beneficial part, as it treats diabetes, purifies the blood, regulates metabolism, and treats stomach issues. Its leaves are high in vitamins and can be added to salads and various meals to help you lose weight and get the needed nutrients. Its flowers are used in the preparation of syrup which purifies the blood, helps digestion and relieves a cough. Dandelion root fights cancer and various other health issues. You should peel the roots, cut them, and leave them to dry in the fresh air for 15 days. When they are done, they will be crispy on touch, and you should keep them in a jar in a dark, cool place. The roots are extremely beneficial for the liver, gallbladder, kidneys, and lymph, and effectively treat constipation, acne, hepatitis, rheumatism, constipation, as well as cysts, tumors, and cancers. It is especially effective and useful in the case of female diseases and problems related to breastfeeding. Syrup recipe. Ingredients: 400 yellow dandelion flowers, 4 sliced lemons, 4 sliced oranges, 3 liters of water. Add the ingredients to the water and leave them thus for 24 hours. Then, add 2 cups of sugar, and cook for half a minute. When the mixture becomes thick and syrupy, remove it from heat, and pour it into sterilized jars. Use it to treat common colds, persistent coughs, and bronchitis. Tea recipe. Dandelion tea is made from dried, chopped, minced, and mixed dandelion leaves. Take half a teaspoon of the mixture and add it to a glass of water to prepare your tea. You can also mix 60 grams of this mixture with 30 grams of dried dandelion roots. Add the mixture to 2.5 ounces of water and a bit of salt. Boil and simmer for 20 minutes. Then, strain, and drink a glass of it 3 times daily.